Okay, so let's jump into the training. The training center here. In here, there's close to 30 videos in here right now. And it's broke down into 3 sections: preparing, taking action, and case studies. And case studies, I'll be adding more to this over time. But so far, there's 4 case studies in here showing you step by step this process. It just works. I show you videos that I make, videos that I rank. If we come back up here to the top, I explain to you the type of YouTube channels you need to create as an affiliate marketer to do well with affiliate marketing. I show you tons of proof in this that it works and what I'm doing with it. And then I go in to talk about affiliate networks, affiliate products, and then different types of videos you can make as an affiliate marketer for best conversions. Under the Taking Action video series, I'm going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel, how to verify it so you can put affiliate links in your YouTube description. And then I go into recording physical products, recording digital products, editing your videos, and then also how to rank without owning your own product. And this is one of the first ways I ever started promoting affiliate products, was that I would do product reviews of products I didn't even own. And I did very well with it. In fact, I even won some contest by doing this way. So this is a very unique strategy. It just works. Scrolling on down, I also show you how to create faceless videos using AI, how to create thumbnails easily and for free. I explain the YouTube algorithm, how it works to rank videos. I give you examples of this. We talk about YouTube filters, cloaking your affiliate links so they don't look ugly. There's 2 different strategies in here that you can use for that. Adding vidIQ to your YouTube channel, because this can be a huge benefit to showing you a lot of keywords, how you rank, and potential keywords you can rank for and even do videos on. And then you have your case studies down here. So this is all in the initial training for $12.95. Now, if you purchased any of the upsells, I want to take you in and show you what those are too. So if we come up here to more training, you can see there's a VIP Facebook group. So let me talk about this first. This is going to be $7 a month. And the reason I'm charging for this is because I want to be more involved in helping you guys to succeed. And it's so difficult for me to do that through email and Facebook Messenger. So I'm creating this Facebook group specifically for people who buy the YT Influencer course. And if you subscribe to this Facebook group, you can join it where I'm going to be in there. You can ask me any questions you want to about affiliate marketing, about YouTube marketing, and I'm going to help you through it. So there's not going to be no obstacles you're not going to be able to overcome. I can help you walk through it. On top of that, I'm going to be offering giveaways. There's going to be socializing with a lot of other YouTube influencers who are doing the same thing that you are. So this can probably be one of the most important parts to growing your YouTube business, is this Facebook group. Now, I've already talked about the $400,000 case study. This is just one video that explains that. It shows you that YouTube channel and what I did to do that. Next is a launch jacking training. So let's go ahead and open this one up, as well as the expert ranker. And this here is my agency YouTube course. This is if you want to learn how I built my agency and built my YouTube ranking service and how I hire tens of thousands of people every year to do this for me. So this is a big upsell. It's definitely not going to be for everybody, but if maybe you're an agency or something, you might be interested in looking into that. Now, jumping over to the launch jacking training, this here, I'm going to explain to you what launch jacking is. Guys, this is a strategy that for a long time was really popular, but today I'm not seeing a whole lot of people do it. And this is actually how I earned my 6 figures online, was through launch jacking. And this is a strategy where you take advantage of brand new products that are being launched, brand new training courses, digital products that are launching, and you're getting in front of everybody as soon as this product launches, which means you're going to be already ranked for it. So when people go searching YouTube or Google for it, they're going to find your video, and there's much more chance of them clicking on your affiliate link than somebody else's to buy that product, giving you that commission, which can be 50% commissions or even 75% commissions for that product. I'll then show you where you find these products and how you can increase your chances of getting approved for it, how you use the affiliate links from these networks, making your video what you need to focus on when you create these types of videos, optimizing it for ranking, offering bonuses to increase your conversions, how to build your email list while doing all of this, which is a huge part to affiliate marketing, so you can future market to your customers and offer them great products when you find them. And then also I show you a case study here of a recent product that I did for launch jacking and how I earned over $8,000 in just like a period of 3 to 4 days. And then finally is the advanced ranking training. So in this series, I'm going to talk to you about growing your channel organically because a lot of people prefer to do that. But this course doesn't cover much of growing it organically. It's more about using services to really get ahead fast of your competition and to build your channel fast. So you build it with a lot of authority and you start ranking much faster. And using these strategies can be a bit more risky because obviously you're manipulating the YouTube algorithm a little bit. And so YouTube does not like that, but this is how I start all of my YouTube channels. This is what I do for my clients. It's up to you whether you want to do it and take that risk. But what I do is I talk about how to use different types of services to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow and rank really fast. I show 2 different case studies of ranking and how fast you could rank, as well as buying views and subscribers from different places and the benefits of it, and then a step-by-step blueprint for success of how I start all of my YouTube channels and how every single time they work and they grow fast and earn me affiliate commissions. So this is YT Influencer. If you guys want to pick it up, like I said, starting today, it's $12.95 to get those initial 29 videos to learn how all this is done. And then you can add the upsells if you feel like it's something that's going to benefit you or your business. Now, if you got any questions, you can leave them below this video. Otherwise, I hope to see you guys inside that Facebook group.